'Cause I feel like a lady, sipping on tequila with my Levi's on, a lady, singing to the music playing all night long. Yeah, I'm feeling right, I'm living my life, I do what I like, 'cause I feel like a lady, a lady. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Please hit like and subscribe, and let me know if you have other songs that you want to learn in the comments section, okay? The song is pretty easy to play. I think it's the new Lady A song. Lady A, Lady Antebellum, I don't know what they're called anymore, but anyway, this is a pretty good song by them. It's just a fun song, and if you play it as a guy, you can have some fun with it, right? So this is the kind of song that you can play when or that you can sing when you're showering or something like that. Especially if you're showering at like the gym or something, it's pretty funny. So anyway, I don't know, don't take me up on that. You should not take me up on that. Don't take my word on that might be a good idea, but I think it could be funny. So anyway, so the song's in standard tuning. It's got a capo on the first fret, and there's only 4 chords, okay? They're in different orders a little bit, so stick with me throughout the song. After the bridge, it's, so I'll show you how to play the first verse, the chorus, and I'll show you how to play the bridge as well, and just a way to end the song. So yeah, let's get started on it. So the chords you're going to use for this song, you're going to use D, you're also going to use G, and I think this G is easier because you're going to use C. You're actually usually going to go from C to G, so that's just an easy transition. But you can, if you really want to use this G, you can do it. In fact, you could use that one too, because I think a lot of times you actually go back to D, so it's up to you. Okay, if you want to do that and then this, it's up to you. Okay, but that's harder in my opinion. And then you're also going to do A. Okay, so the way that this song starts is you're going to do D. So you could do lady. Okay, that's how it should be. You would do on lay, you do D, lady, and then day. All right, you're going to do G, day. All right, and then you would do D. Okay, you're going to do D, C, G, D, and then you would start, you do lady. Okay, so you're going to do G, D, lady. In that situation, it's easier to go to this G, but you're going to do, and then you would just do D, C, G. Then you do lay, and then so you're going to keep playing it fast like that, but you're going to do D and then C this time. You're going to skip that middle G. Lay. So you do on the day part, you do C this time. Day, G. Boy. Okay, so here you can do a couple things. So the strumming for the intro is going to be how the chorus is mostly played, but you can do the same thing for the verses, but it's going to be a little bit different. So I think there's better ways to do it so it gives it variety. Okay, this is not the exact way to play the song. This is just a way to play it that's very easy and will sound great. Okay, so when you do the verse, you're going to want to do, I think it sounds better if you palm mute it. Okay, and then so palm muting is putting this part of your hand as close as you can to the white part right here. Okay, not on it, but right in front of it. And then you're just going to basically pluck the bass notes. Okay. So the strumming for that is down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So you're just doing down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So you just down, down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 down. Okay. Now you can do the same thing in palm muting, or so you could just do down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay. If you don't want to do that, if that's a little bit advanced for you or whatever, some people have a hard time doing alternate strumming when they're palm muting. You can actually just do straight down strums. Boy, I'm not the kind of girl to go and fight for all your attention. Okay, so attention would be C. So you do D on boy. Boy, I'm not the kind of girl to go and fight for all your attention. Okay, Okay, so you could just do straight down strums on that, all right? So you're gonna do, but boy is D, boy, I'm not the kind of girl to go and fight for all of your attention. Attention is C, and then you do the second you do G. And then you're just gonna repeat that. I'm is D. I'm not too afraid to go call this off and go see what I've been missing. So missing is C, missing. You do So that second you do G. Okay, then the pre-chorus is where you're gonna use A finally. You're gonna do leave the dress at home cause leave the dress at home cause it makes. So you do A, and then you're gonna do A, G, A, C here. Leave the dress at home cause it makes. So makes is G. Makes me look too polite. Makes me look too polite. No more waiting. Waiting is A. Waiting by the phone. I'm stepping out tonight. All right, so C is out. Out tonight. All right, and then you're gonna mute cause I feel like a lady. Okay, and then you do lady is D, C. So the chorus is gonna be mainly D, C, G. All right, cause I feel like a lady. Sipping on tequila with my Levi's on a lady. So if you notice, you're doing the same thing as the intro, except for this time you're just doing D, C, G throughout the chorus, okay? So you do the same strumming pattern though. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 okay? So, cause I feel like a lady. Lay is D, lady. Day is C, day. Sipping is G. Sipping on tequila with my Levi's on a lay. Okay, that lay, again, D. Lady, C. Singing to the music playing, so singing is G. Singing to the music playing all night long, yeah, so then you're gonna do D. I'm feeling like I'm living is C. Living my life, I do is G. Do what I like, cause I feel like a lay. So then you do the same thing. Lay is D, lady, C, a lady, and then on that lady again, a lady, you do G, a lady. All right, then you're gonna go to that next verse. Now, the next pre-chorus is the same, the next chorus is the same. After the second chorus, then you're just gonna play D, C, G twice, the way you play the chorus. D, C, G. And then you go into the break, or the bridge, you're gonna do A. Might change my hair, might change my hair, and change my mind. Okay, mind is gonna be G, so might is A, and then G is on mind. Mind might change your whole dang life. Okay, then you do I may break your heart and not think twice. Twice is C, twice, that's right. You do no chords. I'm a lady, sipping on tequila with my. So then you just play on G, all right, and that's where you're gonna do it. Now, then when you play the song, you're gonna end it. You can just end on G. Lady. You could do that, or you could go back to D and just do it on a D chord. So that's how you play the whole song. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time. So stupid.